All right, so when it comes to muscle up, you want to think of the muscle up in 3 stages, right? The first part is your swing. It's your momentum where you run on the bar, you grab the bar, and you swing back. That's the most important thing. Getting that momentum forward, momentum back. The second key to the muscle up is tucking your knees into your chest. All right, so you swing forward, and I'm gonna show you an example of this step by step. But first I want you to just understand the concept. But on the second step, when you swing on the way back, you have to bring your knees into your chest. That's the second step, and it's a timing thing. You swing forward, knees come into your chest. Third step is the actual dip over the bar. So as you reach the bar, your chest is by the bar, you dip forward, push up. And that's how you get it. But the most important thing is getting those. You got to get all steps right. But those first 2 steps are essential. Now, high-level calisthenics, like when you're competing, that swinging is out of the question. You have to be able to do it with straight force, straight momentum. It has to be straight strength. All right, so let me show you an example. I'm gonna take you step by step. All right, step 1, you're literally running to the bar and you're grabbing it. You want to use a lot of momentum. All right, so I really emphasize literally running to this bar, grabbing it. You see all that momentum? So I take 3 or 4 steps back. I run up, I grab the bar. That's very important. You need that. Step 1. Now, step 2 is the knees into your chest. All right, so when you grab the bar, your body swings forward. On the swing back, bring the knees into your chest. You see that? Very important. This, especially in the beginning, your knees are going to be a big part of the momentum you need to swing up and get over the bar. So knees in the chest, just like that. All right, we're getting ready for step 3. Now, step 3, you want to lean forward over the bar. I slowed it down for you. So we swing forward, knees come in, and look how I lean forward over that bar. That's very important. Very important, folks. That's the easiest part. That's the easiest part. All right, putting it all together now, just regular muscle ups here. So this isn't super strict form, but it's definitely not sloppy form. But it's pretty strict. You know, I'm not using a whole lot of momentum. My legs aren't swinging extremely forward like that. So these are more, I would say these are more advanced muscle ups. But anyhow, you get the point. So the first 2 steps are the most important steps of this process, folks. It's literally running. You got to get enough momentum. So you got to swing and let the momentum of your body carry you back. And then the second part is those knees into your chest, because the knees into the chest is going to help you get over the bar. This is not that hard. You should be able to get this in a couple hours, man. In one day, you should learn how to muscle up. All right? It doesn't take that long. It took me about an hour to get it. I just kept trying and trying, and I eventually got it. So that's how you do a muscle up. Don't discourage yourself. A lot of people think they're like, oh, I'm not strong enough. That's rarely the case. You know, I meet a lot of guys in the gym. They're like, oh, it's not, you know, I'm not strong enough. I'm not strong enough. And then I'll start teaching them, and then they'll just stop after maybe 5 tries. And I'm like, yo, you only tried this thing 5 times, but fine. You know, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. But I learned in an hour, and it's not because I'm some savant. It's just because it's not that hard. All right, so it's more of a technique thing. So don't discourage yourself. Get it in one day. Now, listen, if you get it, drop me a comment. Say, hey, man, I got this thing because of you. I got this thing. Hey.